Alright, this video is being made to sell the engine out of this Lexus IS 300. 151,000 miles. It's going to be engine and transmission. Use it in regular drive, run a dyno. Oh, there's traction control working. Hold on. Alright. It runs, drive, shifts. It's fine. Here we go. Manual mode. Manual mode, and we're going to do a wide open throttle run in manual mode. Gear dyno pull. That part. Alright. This is what's going in that car. Motor. No check engine lights. Stock manifold. Stock loader. Got a couple oil leaks. Could be the valve cover gasket, but that's alright.